be honored if you would join us.
It's a trap!
Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name is Robert and this is Over 50 Steel Gaming. Today we're playing World of Tanks. We're playing the US Tier 2 M2 light tank. Alrighty, let's see what she can do. Okay, here we go. Two real players each team. The rest are bots. Okay. I'll go to the right. Starting on a soccer field. That's hilarious. Yeah, I think I'll go to the right.
Let's get this show on the road.
Tough little tank. Real car. Ooh. Mailbox. Alrighty.
Enemy armor is hit. Enemy armor is damaged.
Ooh, stuck on the train. Where are you? Oh, you're hiding back there. Oh, point blank range, I missed.
Penetration. Enemy armor is damaged. Critical hit. Enemy is hit. One of our tracks is damaged. Enemy is hit. Penetration. Got him.
Boomba. Alright, well, we're only half hurt, so... I think I can go through the house.
Enemy armor is damaged.
Oh,
Penetration. Enemy is hit. Ricochet. Penetration. We didn't penetrate their armor. Penetration. Enemy armor is hit. Enemy armor is hit. Penetration. Penetration. We didn't even scratch them. They're knocked out.
ah, he got me.
We're done for. Everyone get out.
Lost to a bot. Well, I didn't lose. I died to a bot. Ah. When you die, you can flip around to the other tanks and watch the action. You can zoom in. One enemy left. Oh, the other real player got killed too? Oh, that's funny. Huh, wow. Only bots are playing. Say for us humans. Oh, he's lit up and he's dead. Well, that was the American I can't remember now. M2 light tank. Oh, mission completed. Anything to do? Want a battle today? Win or win the battle. All right. Nice. All right. So we were class 3. Fire for effect. Cause more damage to an enemy vehicle and hit points of your own vehicle. Ooh. Duelist. Destroy 2 tanks. Cause damage to... Okay. Bruiser. Module crew member. Used 5 times in a battle. And cool-headed. 10 ricochets or non-penetrating hits in a row. And 18 players. Nice. Well, that's that. Well, thanks for everyone watching. Feel free to, if you want, you can subscribe and hit the post notification bell and thumbs up and leave a comment. You don't have to, but yeah. So this is World of War. Yeah, World of Tanks. Yeah, everyone, have a great day. Keep gaming.
Apology accepted, Captain Nita.